Yeah. We've always mainly just gone and gone. So what do you do in Warrigal?
I'm idle.
Idle? They did have a dairy farm.
But now we haven't had a dairy farm for 4 years, I think it is. So
It's a beautiful area if you're in the right spot.
yeah, yeah. Well, we've lived in really nice places around there, I think. And I've thought we've lived in really nice places. So, and I've really liked Australia too.
So you're going to go back to Canada permanently though?
Oh, wait and see.
I think they thought they were coming here permanently when they came here.
We have itchy feet. And you know, if you think of it, that if you're moving, it doesn't necessarily mean you can't come back.
Yeah.
Then it doesn't make the move seem so traumatic.
Sorry, I don't remember the name of this rider.
This is Tess.
Yes, Tess competes it, or is it?
Actually, Tegan competes it. I've got two. Cara's on holiday, she's only young. And Tess and Tegan. Tess and Tegan and Cara. Anyway, and Tegan's been riding this one, but Tegan's on holidays for the last week or so. So Tess was going to take this one out because we've got another couple of other horses that are going out, and Tegan was going to take them out. So.
Tess is here full time, and Tegan is the other girl.
She's got full time as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you got something now?
No, I haven't. I did have a little mare that I had a few years ago, and I competed lots on her. And she was in an accident. I had to put her down. So then I went travelling for a few years and worked for other people, rode other people's horses and stuff. But I just want my own horse now, basically, and I want to do my thing and my own horse and compete. And yeah, I really miss competing. So yeah.